Every Solitaire home is built with a 90 to 100-year construction that matches or exceeds the quality of a site-built home. The frame that supports the home is constructed of 2 steel I-beams running the entire length of the home. Full-length heavy-gauge outriggers, gusseted crossmembers, and I-beam headers tie the frame components together to create a strong foundation. Our larger homes feature sister beams. Sister beams are sections of I-beams welded to the full-length frame I-beams at strategic locations for extra support. Full-length steel outriggers support the weight of the outside walls of the home. Exterior walls are constructed with 2x6 top and bottom wall plates and 2x6 studs on 16-inch centers. Half-inch sheetrock is glued and hand-nailed to all wall framing members. Taping, bedding, and texturing of the walls and ceiling is done by hand, creating a modern, true residential look to the home's interior finish. Solitaire ceilings are 1x3 material that is glued and stapled flat along the bottom of all the 2x3 roof trusses. Longitudinal 1x3s also span the entire length of the ceiling. This type of roof construction provides a large area for ample gluing and the hand nailing of the half-inch sheetrock ceiling. All the light boxes are braced and secured so that ceiling fans can be installed in any location throughout the home. Solitaire's unique grid-work floor system is constructed of number 2 2x6 perimeter rails and 2x6 floor joists that are set on 16-inch centers. 2x3 and 2x4 longitudinal stringers are nailed into the joists and run the entire length of the floor. This bridge-type construction ties all the floor joists together. This allows for greater surface contact for gluing and stapling of the 5/8-inch sturdy floor plywood floor decking. Solitaire spares no expense in our attention to the construction details others overlook. The sturdy floor plywood floor decking is bonded to the superior subfloor with ample construction glue as well as 1.5-inch staples. Our recessed entryways are sloped and decked with exterior-grade plywood. We also install a large seamless pan that turns up the walls behind the siding. Finished with outdoor carpeting, this entryway keeps water from pooling and prevents contact with the floor beneath. The heating and air conditioning duct system in a Solitaire home consists of a one-piece aluminum trunk. We seal each end and all duct connections with sealant, not tape. Plus, we add an extra step by wrapping the duct in insulation before installing it in the insulated subfloor. Solitaire's commitment to superior cabinetry is evident in our drawer system. All of the cabinet drawers have metal drawer guides and heavy plywood guide brackets. The drawers have solid ash fronts, and the drawer boxes are constructed from premium 1x material. Our roof assembly begins with a unique multi-layered 24-inch plywood and oriented strand board, OSB, beam that runs the entire length of the home. Insulation is blown into the attic by hand, allowing it to settle around the contours of the roof trusses and light boxes. The standard R30 attic insulation is blown to a depth of 12 inches. The R40 upgrade is blown to a substantial 16-inch depth. The foil-backed radiant barrier roof decking does more to keep the attic space cool than the standard OSB roof decking. We go the extra mile on things you can't see that many others may ignore. We label the blocking used to secure the drain lines to ensure the proper slope is maintained. Vapor barrier is applied to the back side of the exterior wall sheetrock as a method of moisture control. Spraying this vapor barrier allows a consistent and complete coverage. Receptacles and light switches are residential type, installed in separate wall boxes rather than the industry standard specialized stab lock receptacles and light switches. Solitaire manufactures its own one-piece fiberglass tub and shower units. The one-piece vinyl windows have a tilt-in bottom pane and energy-efficient low-emissivity glass. The low-E glass keeps the radiant heat inside the home in the winter, while heat from the sun is reflected away in the summer months. The window units are sealed to the exterior siding with a silicone sealant and secured by hand nailing. Bulk buying affords us the opportunity to use high-quality materials in the construction of our homes, while retaining the ability to offer home buyers a well-appointed, premium home for a great price.
Hi, I'm Brett Jenkins, General Manager, Solitaire Homes in Deming, New Mexico. Our team members take a lot of pride. We put a lot of hard work into concentrating on those details of the home efficiency, the construction details that allow our homeowners to enjoy their home for many years to come. If you have any questions about the construction of your Solitaire home, please don't hesitate to contact any of our factory direct sales outlets. And thank you for visiting our website.
Solitaire Homes has a stellar reputation for exceptional quality of materials and workmanship. Quality built homes at affordable prices.